Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to unmute chat notifications in Telegram on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Step 2. Right-click on the chat that you want to unmute. Step 3. From the options that appear, select Unmute. By following these simple steps, you can easily unmute chat notifications in Telegram on your PC. Unmuting a chat ensures that you receive notifications for new messages and stay updated with the conversation. Muting a chat can be useful when you want to temporarily silence notifications for a specific chat. However, if you wish to receive notifications again, you can easily unmute the chat using these steps. With Telegram on your PC, you have the flexibility to manage your chat notifications and customize your messaging experience according to your preferences. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and tips.